Wanna know how to build the best F2P team setup in Dokkan Battle? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to just simply start by using free LRs like LR Prime Battle Goku, LR Frieza, or LR Vegeta. Combine them with even exclusive TURs that share key links and setting the limit. Train them fully, make sure you awaken them and raise their SA to max using free dupes. For the leader, pick one that boosts all types KI plus 3 and HP, attack or defense 77 that keeps everyone balanced. With good synergy and link levers, your F2P team can clear even Dokkan events daily, proving you don't need to pay to win and power to dominate. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.